From tree to paper, the magic of paper making. Hi and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we take you behind the scenes to show the entire process of transforming wood to paper. Sit back and enjoy one. The journey begins. In a quiet Scandinavian forest, a tall pine sways, its trunk marked by time. Soon it will become 1,000,000 pages. Loggers fell it with precision, stripping branches and peeling bark. The trunk is chipped into thumb-sized pieces, golden and resin-scented, ready for transformation. 2. Turning wood into pulp. At the mill, the chips face two fates. Mechanical pulping. Giant grinders shred them into a rough, amber-hued pulp, perfect for newspapers. Cheap but fragile. Chemical pulping. Chips simmer in a mix of chemicals that dissolve lignin, the glue holding fibers together. This creates strong, bleach-ready pulp for books and fine stationery. The process smells like rotten eggs, a small price for durability. Fun fact, 1 ton of wood produces about 200,000 sheets of paper. 3. Purifying and bleaching. The pulp, now a murky slurry, is filtered to remove splinters and dirt. Then, bleaching agents like hydrogen peroxide or chlorine dioxide brighten it to a crisp white. In Japan, traditional washi paper skips this step, keeping its natural flecks of bark. 4. Birth of a sheet, the Four-Drinyer machine. This 100-meter-long machine turns pulp into paper in a mesmerizing process. Headbox. Pulp slurry spreads onto a moving mesh belt, draining water as fibers bond. Press section. Felt blankets and steel rollers squeeze out moisture. Dryers. Steam-heated cylinders evaporate the last drops, leaving behind warm, crisp sheets. A laser scans for flaws. Even a single hair can ruin a 10-ton roll. The finishing touch. For smooth, glossy pages, paper is coated with a blend of clay and latex, then polished by rollers. Now it's ready for ink, eager to hold stories, sketches, and ideas. 6. Cutting and packaging giant blades slice massive rolls into reams, A4 sheets, notebooks, origami squares. Robots stack, wrap, and label them, preparing for their next destination. Offices, schools, or a child's first diary. 7. Second life. Recycling paper's story doesn't end here. In a recycling plant, old newspapers and used notebooks are shredded, cleaned, and reborn. Recycling saves 70% of the energy needed for new paper, giving forests a second chance. The power of paper. For centuries, paper has shaped history. It carried Marco Polo's travelogues and Einstein's equations. It's been burned in censorship and treasured in archives. It's both fleeting, a grocery list, and eternal, a constitution. Today, digital screens challenge its place. Yet, we still love the snap of a book spine, the scribble of a pen, the texture of a handwritten letter. Next time you hold a piece of paper, remember, it was once a whispering tree, a worker's craft, a bridge between nature and human creativity. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and educative videos like this.